how to solve linear equation. First, we have to understand what we mean by solve. solve معناته إن نحل أو نوجد حل المعادلة، يعني القيمة المجهول. We can write it solve find, okay, to find the value, or solve the equation. equation معناتها معادلة. يعني مثلا for example you have 2x is equal equation 3x plus 5. So this is called equation. فيها balance، فيها left hand side و right hand side، وال left hand side is equal to right hand side. linear معناتها إنه من الدرجة الأولى. إيش من الدرجة الأولى؟ معناته قيمة المجهول عندنا من الدرجة الأولى. So the variable or the unknown, okay, the unknown, it will be what? In the first degree. So first, how to solve a linear equation. To solve a linear equation, we have number one, for example, you have 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. If you see here, the unknown is here, okay, and we have a 3. So we transfer 3 to another side, then we say that 2x is equal to 4 minus 3. When you transfer it to another side, you have to change the sign of that element. So we have to change the sign. So here it is positive and we change it into negative. Then we say that 2x is equal to 4 minus 3. It will be equal to 1. So x divided by 2, we get that x is equal to 0.5. Now number one, if you have a variable like, for example, x plus a is equal to b, and we want to solve for x, so the unknown is x, so we write that x, هنا المجهول x، فنحط ال x, we can put it on the, for example, circle or square. So this is not related to, so this one we want to find it, we transfer a to another side by different sign. So x is equal to b minus a. Okay, so x is equal to b minus a. This is what will be the solution. Or if you have, for example, x plus 2, this is will be example. Okay, if you want to find x plus 2 is equal to, for example, 8, so we say that x is equal to 8 minus 2. So x equal to 6. Many of the students made a mistake when they are transferred to another site. Like, for example, they write it like this, and which is wrong. They write it like this: x is equal to 2 minus 8. This is wrong. You have to transfer 2 at the end, not at the beginning. Don't keep it in the beginning after equal. No, you have to transfer it at the end. Okay, this is about number one. And about number two, if you have, for example, x minus a is equal to b, so we will take a to another side by the different sign. There it is negative, so when you take it to another side, it will be positive. So it will be x. So it will be x equal to b plus a. For example, if you have x minus 8 is equal to 3, take it to another side. So x, it will be equal to 3 plus 8. So x is equal to 11. Now, if you have, for example, number 3, if you have a with x, so this is a coefficient with x divided by b, so we will divide it by the same coefficient. So we divide it here by the same coefficient, which is a, so divided by a, so we'll get x is equal to b over a. We have to keep the coefficient is equal to 1. لازم نحط المعامل يساوي 1 فنقسم على المعامل. Okay, if you have, for example, if you have a 3 A is equal to 9. So we divided by 3, divided by 3. If the example here, solve for A. So we want to find A. So A is equal to 3. Just check your answer if it is right or correct. So just substitute instead of A by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, you will get 9. Okay, now number 4. Number 4. If you have x over A equal to B, so we keep it, this is look like a fraction. Okay, we keep it over 1. So by cross multiplication, we get that x is equal to A multiplied by B. Okay, now let we solve an examples. If you have, for example, a 3 over A is equal to 8. So by cross multiplication, this is over 1, we say that 3 equal to 8a divided by 8 divided by 8, we get that A is equal to 3 over 8.